Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to cover a very interesting and a very tricky Java interview question. That is, are Java Streams API lazy or not? So this question has been very important and it's been asked to me many times in the interview room, and even I asked this question to the candidate. So the answer is yes, Java Stream APIs are lazy, but the counter question which you can expect is how can you prove that they are lazy? Okay. So to prove this, we will quickly move on to a Spring Tool suite and we'll see the practical example. So let's get into the action. So I have created one stream, one list with some random values. Okay, and I will try to find out the even number from this. Okay, so I'm using the filter and to is equal to zero lambda expression. We are going to collect it back to our collectors. I mean to a list. Okay, now I will try to print it. Okay, so it has given us the desired output, that is the even numbers. So if you see this here we are using the chaining of string. Okay, we have used the intermediate operation, then we have used the terminal operation. So what basically happens inside that is like the filter operation, it will start its computation or its evaluation whenever we are calling the terminal operation on that. If we don't call the terminal operation on the streams, then filter operation or the intermediate operation will not computate or will not evaluate. Okay, so this is, we can say, they are lazy. So now I will show you more into the details how I'm saying, like how I will prove my point correct, like they are lazy. Okay, so again I will create one list and I will try to find out the uh, even numbers. Okay, I'm using the lambda expressions. Okay, so here we will try to print out something like, suppose in filter. Okay, I am in filter. Okay, so it will return you x modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so this whole will return as a string, right? String of integer it will return, because the we took that as a integer. Okay, so we will name it as the lazy integer. Okay, we have taken it as a lazy integer. The spelling of integer is incorrect. Okay, so it is correct now. So now we have used the over here we have just used the intermediate operation filter, and inside the filter we are trying to print it. Okay, so now I will use the terminal operator on this, that is collect, and we will collect it back to our list, collectors dot to list. Okay, so to prove my point, I will start it in the debugging mode. Okay, okay, so I will put the debugger points here and kept it one over here. So we will start it in the debugging mode. Okay, save it. Yeah, so if you see, it has started. So now here we are just calling the filter, that is the intermediate operation. Okay, so and inside the filter we are printing I am in filter. Okay, so it came to the next line. So if you see, this intermediate operation is done, but it has not printed anything. This I am in filter is not been printed. Now we will run this line. Now we will run the terminal operation. Okay, if you see, it has came. So it is like they are lazy. I mean the streams are lazy. They will only evaluate or start the computation whenever you are calling the terminal operation on the streams. Okay, so if you answer them this, then they will be more than happy and more than sufficient. Okay, because you have already shown your point and you have proved your point. But they won't stop here yet. They will ask you one more question: why streams are lazy? Okay, so you can answer this: laziness improves the performance. Okay, then they will ask you counter question like, how can you say that they will improve the performance? Okay, so to answer this, you can say, suppose you are buying something on some e-commerce website like on Myntra or Flipkart or on Amazon. Okay, suppose you have clicked on some product, and then in the end you can see, click on this button to see more similar products. Okay, if they will if instead of this button they show you all the products in a one go. Okay, suppose there are 50,000 similar products and they show you all in a one go, then it will take a lot of time, right? In that, the person or the customer will lose his interest or he will switch on to some other thing, right? So that's why they make it as a lazy, that at a point they will show 10 that at a time they will show you 10 products, so that you should not lose your interest. And after clicking on the button, they will show you one more list that will have 10 numbers, 10 more products. So this is why these streams and everything is made lazy, so that it could improve the performance, and it could, when the performance will improve, then the distraction will be less and the customer will be more interested into buying the product or something. Okay. So if you will tell them this, I think they will be more than happy and more than sufficient. And after this, they won't ask you even a single question on Java 8. So yes, this is what in this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share the video with your friends. And in the upcoming video, I will bring some more interesting and tricky questions on Java 8 or the Spring Boot. So please stay tuned, stay happy, stay safe. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you.